Welcome back to my channel, Miss Medicine. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram. On this channel, you will find high-yield stuff materials and last year exams and also some topic discussions. This is the quick review of pediatrics. Important milestones. Copies circles at 3 years, crawls 11 months. Child smiles at familiar persons 2 months, neck control 3 months, sits and support 6 months, transfer object from one hand to other 6 months, says mama dada 10 months, self decisions 7 years, walks alone 13 to 14th months, knows age and sex 3 years, can draw a rectangle 4 years, can draw a triangle at 5 years. Next topic is body parameters. Body weight doubles at 5 months. Body weight triples at first year. Body length increases in year by 25 cm. Next, nutrition. Edema is seen in kwashiorkor. Hepatomegaly is seen in kwashiorkor. Auto malnutrition is judged by weight for height. Chronic malnutrition is judged by height for age. Flat sign is seen in kwashiorkor. Next topic, rickets. Craniotabes, calvaria are softened. Rachitic rosary. Prominent costochondral junction, pot belly, bow legs, etc. Biochemical values, low serum calcium and phosphate, raised alkaline phosphatase and parathyroid hormone. Next, this is scurvy, bleeding into skin and joints, Wimberger's sign, pseudoparalysis. Next topic, Down syndrome. Most common trisomy, brachycephalic skull, hypotonia, palpebral fissure slopes upwards, marked epicanthic folds, brush-filled spots, increased nuchal fold thickness, iliac index less than 60, simian crease, single palmar crease. Most common associated cardiac lesions, ASD and endocardial cushion defects. Duodenal atresia, CML and transient myeloproliferative disorders are seen, may be associated with Alzheimer's dementia. Most common cause of Down syndrome, maternal non-disjunction. Next topic, Turner syndrome, lymphedema, short stature, webbed neck, low posterior hairline, cubitus valgus, increased carrying angle, finger deformities, correction of aorta, short fourth metacarpal. 35, X0 karyotype. Next topic, Klinefelter syndrome, 47XXY, most common cause of hypergonadotrophic hypogonadism, subnormal intelligence. Next topic, late congenital syphilis, Hutchinson's triad, Hutchinson's teeth, 8th cranial nerve deafness and interstitial keratitis. Immunoglobulin M, FDA-ABS is best to diagnose congenital syphilis, saddle nose, saber tibia and Cluton's joint. Next topic, jaundice. Causes of unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia are Crigler-Najjar syndrome, first and second, physiological jaundice, Gilbert syndrome, breast milk jaundice, etc. Causes of conjugated hyperbilirubinemia, biliary atresia, extrahepatic, intrahepatic. Most common cause of conjugated bilirubinemia in newborn, idiopathic infantile hepatitis. Physiological jaundice appears on 3rd day, lasts up to 7th to 10th day in term and 14th day in preterm. Most common cause of jaundice within 24 hours after birth is erythroblastosis fetalis. Breast milk jaundice is due to pregnandiol, kernicterus, unconjugated bilirubin in basal ganglia, rise in level of bilirubin in physiological jaundice less than 5 mg per deciliter per day. Next topic, infantile hypertrophic pyloric stenosis, appears within 2 to 4 weeks after birth. Hypokalemia, metabolic alkalosis, compensated by paradoxical aciduria. Hyaline membrane disease, manifested within first few hours of life. Hyaline membrane is made of fibrin, seen in diabetes mellitus premature babies. Ground glass appearance, reticulonodular, reticulogranular pattern on chest radiography. Next topic, bronchiolitis, most common caused by respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. Most common in boys less than 2 years. Chest X-ray shows hyperinflation with multiple areas of interstitial infiltration. May lead to asthma. Self-limiting. Drug of choice is ribavirin. Oxygen is helpful. RSV immunoglobulins has no role in acute attacks. Antibiotics are not used initially. Next topic, atrial septal defect ASD, left parasternal heavy seen. Chest X-ray shows enlarged right atrium and ventricular, not left atrium, associated with Holt-Oram syndrome. ASD plus mitral stenosis, Lutembecker syndrome. ASD plus single atrium Ellis-Crevald syndrome. ASD plus bony abnormalities, Holt-Oram syndrome. Next topic, ventricular septal defect VSD, left ventricular failure, biventricular hypertrophy and left axis deviation seen. Next topic, patent ductus arteriosus seen in rubella, predisposed by hypoxia and prematurity. Differential cyanosis is seen, cyanosis of toes but not of fingers. Prostaglandin inhibitors stimulate PDA closure. Next topic, correctation of aorta COA, most common below origin of left subclavian artery, associated with Turner syndrome, bicuspid aortic valve, upper extremity hypertension, lower extremity hypertension, headache, dizziness, rib notching with double bulging is seen. Cause of death is complication of hypertension, congestive heart failure, etc. Next disease, teratology of Fallot, TOF. Components, it includes VSD, ventricular septal defect, pulmonary stenosis, overriding of aorta and right ventricular hypertrophy. On chest X-ray, boot-shaped heart or core end-sabot heart is seen, single S2, ejection systolic murmur present, right-sided aortic arc present. Next topic is pentalogy of Fallot, POF. It includes teratology of Fallot plus ASD iron. Next topic, iron deficiency anemia. Most common type of anemia in children, iron deficiency anemia. Time to start iron supplementation to a term, breastfeed baby 6 weeks. First indicator of response after iron therapy, increased reticulocyte count. Next is anemia. Hypochromic microcytic anemia with decreased serum iron and raised TIBC, iron deficiency anemia. Hypochromic microcytic anemia with raised serum ferritin and increased TIBC, anemia of chronic diseases. Early indicator of iron deficiency anemia is serum ferritin. Next is thalassemia. Features are splenomegaly, hemolytic phases, chipmunk face, decreased osmotic fragility, not increased, hair on end appearance seen on X-ray, diagnostic test electrophoresis, microcytosis and hypochromia, target and teardrop cells are seen in microscopy. Next is von Willebrand disease. It is autosomal disease. Most common hereditary bleeding disorder. APTT may be prolonged, bleeding time prolonged. Factor VIII level may be reduced. Defective platelet aggregation with ristocetin. Next is thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, TTP, pentad of TTP. It includes fever, thrombocytopenia, microangiopathic hemolytic anemia, neurological symptoms and renal failure. Lab diagnosis, bleeding time prolonged, normal PT, PTT and complement. Next disease, vesiculourethral reflex, VUR. Most common cause of renal scarring in children. Presentations, straining and dribbling of urine in a male child with recurrent UTI. Diagnosis is by MCUG, micturating cystourethrogram. Next is nephrotic syndrome. Most common of nephrotic syndrome in children, minimal change disease in adults, it's membranous glomerulonephritis, characterized by proteinuria more than 3.5 gram per day, hypoalbuminemia, edema, hyperlipidemia, lipiduria, hypercoagulability. Next topic, pediatric oncology. Most common inherited malignancy, retinoblastoma. Most common malignant neoplasm in infancy, neuroblastoma. Most common viral tumor, warts. Most common malignant tumor, childhood leukemia. Next topic, neuroblastoma. Most common presentation, large abdominal mass, may present as lytic lesion in skull with sutural diathesis. Most common mass in posterior mediastinum children. Metastasizes to bone most commonly associated with hypertension and VMA and catecholamines are seen in urine. Next topic, Wilms tumor, also known as nephroblastoma. Most common presenting symptom, palpable abdominal mass. It involves chromosome 11. Highest cure rates chemotherapy is with actinomycin D and vincristine. Next disease, glycogen storage diseases. Von Gierk's disease is due to deficiency of glucose 6-phosphatase deficiency. Features of von Gierk's disease, it includes hyperuricemia, lactic acidosis, etc. No muscles are involved. Anderson disease is due to deficiency of branching enzyme. McArdle's disease is due to deficiency of muscle phosphorylase, and galactosemia is seen. It is due to deficiency of GPUT, galactose 1-phosphate uridyl transferase. Reducing sugars are seen in urine. Next is phenylketonuria. Deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase manifest as mental retardation, seizures, etc. Urine misty odor. Test ferric chloride and Gutierrez test. Next disease, congenital hypothyroidism. Large and open posterior fontanelle, absent social smile eyebrows, growth retardation, delayed puberty, cold extremities, large tongue, prolongation of physiological jaundice and epiphyseal dysgenesis. Next topic, meningitis. Most common presentation of neonatal meningitis is poor breastfeeding. Most common cause in neonates of bacterial meningitis, group B streptococci or E. coli. Causes of aseptic meningitis, mumps virus, polio's virus, etc. Low CSF protein is seen in infants, pseudotumor cerebri, etc. Next topic, neonatal seizures. Most common cause of seizure in newborn, hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy. Most common type of seizure in newborn, subtle. Most common type of seizures in children, generalized tonic-clonic. Next and the last disease, Duchenne muscle dystrophy, disease of sarcolemmal proteins, dystrophin gene, Goer's sign, patient tries to climb on himself. Next, quick review, which include DNB and NEET-PG questions. Child can copy a circle at the age of 3 years. Body weight of a child triples at 1 year. Flaxine hair is suggestive of kwashiorkor. Rachitic rosary is a feature of rickets. Mongolian faces is seen in Down syndrome. Karyotype in case of Turner syndrome 45X0. Hutchinson's triad is seen in late congenital syphilis. Most common cause of jaundice within 24 hours of life, erythroblastosis fetalis. Rise of bilirubin in physiological jaundice, less than 5 mg per deciliter per day. Most common cause of bronchiolitis, respiratory syncytial virus. Most common hair disorder in Down syndrome, ASD. Most common type of anemia in children, iron deficiency anemia. Hair on end appearance radiograph is seen in thalassemia. Height of 100 cm is achieved by the age of 4 years. Most common cause of nephrotic syndrome in children, minimal change disease. Most common malignant neoplasm in infancy, neuroblastoma. Most common presentation of neuroblastoma, abdominal mass. Most common cause of meningitis in neonates, E. coli, group B streptococcus. Enzyme deficient in von Gierk's disease, glucose 6-phosphatase. Urine in phenylketonuria, mousy musty odor. Urine turns dark on exposure to atmosphere in alkaptonuria. Most common type of seizure in newborn, subtle. Most common type of seizure in childhood, generalized tonic-clonic seizures. Most of the babies are bed dry at the age of 5 years. Condition in which unconjugated bilirubin gets deposited in basal ganglia, connectors.